Okay, I just shoveled myself out. Gotta probably go into work for 12 noon. You can get the gist of how deep this is. It's kind of hard to do this from video. Just took me an hour to clean half of my driveway out. You can tell. Can't really figure out how deep the snow is from here, but it's like a whiteout. Look at it. And you know what? The other side of the road, they didn't get 3 feet of snow piled up at the end of their driveway. I'd like to live on that side of the street. Look at this. Look at how high I had to pile the snow. Check it out. Okay, look at the snow depth on that side of the street. And now look at the depth on my side. Look at all that snow at the end of my driveway. Isn't that crazy? Check it out. People down the street plowing. Nobody in sight plowing their driveways out. Just me shoveled my driveway. Half of it at least. At least I can get out to work at 12 to work till 3. Absurd as it is. Now I'm totally physically exhausted. I'm lucky if I have enough energy to even undress myself to take a shower. Not that I needed to share that with everybody, right? I am so physically exhausted. Oh sure, now here comes Rocket. See Rocket down the street? That guy right there? He's our plow guy. Isn't that lovely? Well, screw you, mister. Nah, only kidding. Now don't come mess up my driveway.